Yeah, I speak Spanish. Speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Ah, Spanish.
Yeah, Your brother, how is your name? Chris.
Chris.
Spanish, mi amor.
También habla español.
Pahamak eh, no?
Naubusan na yung Spanish mo.
Hi!
Colony of Spain for 334. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So I don't know anything Filipino. We
Kaya
actually
Darwin,
have
sabihin mo,
some
nagsebuena.
and we actually in my church.
Nagsebuena.
Filipinos. Yes, it is. Yeah.
Por eso hablan
But that's what I'm trying to.
Chabacano ng mga yan.
John Mark, listen.
Chabacano nga, di ba? Ano yun?
So I
Spanish.
How long have you been
What Chabacano?
Yeah.
How long?
Baka
3 años.
3 años.
Okay. You're speaking Spanish.
Y'all enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Sí, sí, me gustó mucho. I want to have a picture with that brother from Panama. Oh, right, yeah. Brad, kunin mo ang bag mo yan. Mag-usap na. Yeah. Brother from Panama. Josue.
1, 2, 3.
Gracias.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias. Gracias.
Dios te bendiga. Nice to see you. Yeah. Adios.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Yeah.